Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful morning. We just got done working out. We did back and biceps. I am having a beef bouillon cube broth. Not a beef broth. Let me clarify here. It's actually a vegetable bouillon. This is the one I recommend. I'm going to be fasting until pretty late today. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to take Crystal camping for Valentine's Day, in which case we're not going to be in the woods until like 4 or 5 p.m. and I won't be able to prepare the meal until we get there and get settled. So I'm going to be fasting until then because I'm doing the OMAD. So I'm going to have one of these bad boys. This, I recommend this bouillon cube over others because, let me just read out these ingredients to you. Sea salt, 43% organic, non-hydrogenated palm oil. Better than most other alternatives. Yeast extract, organic onions, 1.6% organic carrots, 1.3% organic celery, organic mace, organic parsley, organic turmeric. So basically, yeah, just organic ingredients for the most part. Most of these are made with like some kind of soy oil base. So I choose this over that. But if you all know of a better bouillon cube, I'm all ears. It tastes pretty good too. Oh, and one of these cubes has 1,050 milligrams of sodium, so pretty sodium dense. Totally satisfies my cravings for food. It's gonna make me fast much easier today. All right, y'all, we have light again in the gym portion of the warehouse, which I'm super excited about. Those lights all got fixed. The circuit was bad, so we have light again. Man, it still looks kind of dark in here though. Anyways, let's go check out the crew. I'm going to be working on the computer most of the day, but I want to go see what else is going on this side of town. The ladies are working. We got the OG crew over here. Kayla, wrapping some bricks.
Yeah, really.
Who's this girl in a hairnet? Ooh, baby, I forgot how cute you looked in a hairnet. Woo!
Zooming in.
Alright. I know y'all have seen this package before, but I just wanted to illustrate yet again how amazing this new package looks. I'm so proud of this packaging. I'm even proud of the handwritten 1,000 in there. You know, that right there, that just shows how proud we are of these babies. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so you know how I was going to take Crystal camping for Valentine's Day? We got those sleeping bags last night. Really looking forward to it. It's not going to happen. Too busy. This is another one of those classic examples of which sometimes when you own your own business, oftentimes when you own your own business, you have to just, the door's messed up. You have to just sacrifice some things. And this is one of those times. But I'm gonna figure out some other way to make it up to her because I love my baby and she deserves the best. This is Corey. Do that bicep flex again, bro. Do it. Do it.
You want me to do it?
Do it. Do it. Whoa, look at that vein, man. That's pretty good right there.
Is that
dude.
pretty good?
That's pretty good.
I haven't even worked out today.
Yeah, man. Look at Crystal use that gun. She's so good. Alright, so I'm at the post office. I'm going to drop off a package of bricks. And this is a special package of bricks. Well, they're all special packages of bricks because they're all going to awesome people like yourself. But this package of bricks is going to a testing facility in Wisconsin. And they're going to run these bricks through a machine to see how different... Basically, I'm looking at a packaging equipment, piece of packaging equipment that would just tremendously improve our efficiency in packaging. So I'm sending them some bricks so they can sample it through the equipment to see how it runs it through it. But this is an expensive piece of equipment, but if we decide to get this, this will like just more than tenfold our efficiency. I mean, right now we're doing the tin foil and just hand wrapping the bricks in tin foil. It takes 2 people like 20 or 30 minutes to wrap 100 bricks. This 100 bricks can be wrapped in 1 minute. So it's just crazy efficient. So hopefully this will work out well. We'll see if I move on it. I'm not sure yet. I got to get the quotes back, the pricing back, see if the bricks run through the machine properly. but I'll keep you posted. All right, y'all, just got back to the warehouse. Got a Starbucks for Crystal. That's the way to start off the Valentine's Day. Starbucks for Crystal. All right, y'all. As I mentioned in the prior clip, we're not gonna go camping tonight. We're about to go. We had bunch of people sick this week, so we haven't been short on staff. So Crystal was in there working on making the bricks. I was in
2
here.
days this week. I spent all day in there.
Yeah, I was in here doing all the accounting and the bookkeeping and everything for the bricks today. So the camping will have to be rescheduled. But now we have sleeping bags, so we're excited about that.
We should sleep in them tonight.
Yeah. So I was gonna let Crystal, since why not? But I was gonna let Crystal talk about sacrifice as it relates to doing fun things when you own a business.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
We do it often.
We do it often?
We do it often, but it is all worth it. Like, literally, like 100% always generally worth it. Especially when it comes to like things that you and I do together, because we're building this together. Like this, there's nothing better than to build something with the person that you love. If it does involve family and friends and that kind of thing, it is a little bit harder for me because I know it involves other people and like they want us there and they want our attention and all of that, and as much as we want to be there. So we do sacrifice a lot more like fun stuff between like you and I. We do make a little bit more of an effort for other people. But there's a lot of sacrifice that comes in with owning a business. I mean, a ton.
Yeah.
It depends on what kind of business you have, too. You know?
But I wouldn't change it for the world.
Yeah.
You know? Like, I was on a podcast today. Danny Vega and Maura Vega had me on their Fat Fuel Family podcast, and they were talking about how to reverse engineer. What was the tagline Danny used? Reverse engineering how to build resilience or something like that. And a lot of that comes from just doing hard stuff. And when you do hard stuff, you're going to have to sacrifice some of the lighter-hearted fun stuff. And it's worth it. 100% worth it. But even throughout the chaos, when you have to make those sacrifices, like finding some way to kind of like bridge the gap and make it somewhat fun is key. So, I mean, it's all fun to me, but like finding, not fun, but a disconnect and just kind of separate yourself. So tonight, since we're not going to go camping, and it is Valentine's Day, we're going to go to a steakhouse right now instead and get something delicious to eat. So,
yeah. Which is still really fun for us.
Yeah.
Like, we don't really get to just go out and eat all the time. We do it for a special occasion or when we really need to go on a date or something like that. So
yeah. So, to the steakhouse we go. All right, y'all, we are at Saltgrass. Crystal's, like this restaurant?
I really like this restaurant, actually.
It's like a much nicer, like Texas-style restaurant. Like you got Texas Roadhouse, Colton's, Logan's. This is like an upscale version of it, but super tasty. All right, so we requested non-breaded stuffed jalapenos. It's pretty good, though. What do you think?
Looks really good.
We got the wedge salad, rocking it. Look at that 22-ounce porterhouse and a sirloin. You excited, baby?
Super excited.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Me too.
The aftermath. Nothing. Alrighty, y'all. The day is done. Valentine's Day is wrapping up. I hate that I didn't get any cool footage of us camping because I really had hoped and planned and was excited to do just that. But it worked out so that we couldn't go camping. But we'll take a rain check on that and we'll get some good footage in the future. But had a good dinner with Crystal. Steak was delicious. We just left the gym right now. I got a shower at the gym and we're about to just wind down for the evening. I will say this though, you know, like today was a good day in the sense that I got a lot done with the crew. I got a lot done with Crystal. I set myself up good for the going into the weekend. Today's been a good day. I had a podcast with Danny and Maura Vega on their Fat Fuel Family podcast. And they were talking to me about how I was raised, how I would potentially raise my future kids, and what kind of my outlook and plans are with that. And, you know, on Valentine's Day, which today is, I'll go ahead and incorporate Crystal a little bit into this video. But I was talking about how I'm really excited to raise my future kids with Crystal, and how we just kind of balance each other out, like the yin and the yang, so to speak, because I'm a very like strict, disciplined, stubborn person, and she's super strict and disciplined as well, but she's much more like caring and selfless and gentle and, you know, supportive, and I'm just more like, you know, do hard things. But, you know, today being Valentine's Day, you know, having dinner with Crystal, we were just reflecting on everything that we've done, how far we've come, what our future is going to be like, what we're excited about in life, and just what we're building, what we're in the middle of right now. And I know it seems like I'm just rambling right now, and I partly am, but I want y'all to know that building something like we are alongside your best friend, as Crystal is mine, and building that foundation that can become the future that you're building, not only for yourselves, but for like your future kids, all your friends, your employees, it's just, can't put it into words, y'all. Can't put it into words. It's just awesome. It's very, truly awesome. That said, happy Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. I'm going to Texas tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Texas, and I don't know what all I'm gonna do. I do know what I'm gonna do in Texas, but I don't know how much that I'm gonna get on film for y'all just yet. So stay tuned. See you tomorrow in Texas.